Today we learn a new concept regarding trigonometry, that is the heights and distances. Before going to the topic, all of you subscribe the channel, share it and like it, and you press the notification bell. Now regarding these heights and distances, we have to learn two concepts. One is called the angle of elevation and the second is called angle of depression. Angle of elevation. And the next is angle of depression. Now we see what is meant by elevation and what is meant by the depression. Here a person is standing at A. Person is standing at A and observing the object C. So this is called angle of elevation. A person is standing on the ground and looking at the top. Is it clear all of you what is angle of elevation? Angle of elevation is nothing but a person is standing on the ground and looking at the top of the building or top of the object, that is called the angle of elevation. Now what is meant by angle of depression? Depression means a person is standing on the top of the building and looking the object at A. This is called angle of depression. Only two things, one is elevation and other is depression. Elevation means a person is standing on the ground and looking at the top, that is called angle of elevation. Depression means a person is standing on the, let us we take this as a building. A person is standing on the building and looking the object which is on the ground at A. This is called angle of depression. Now we have to remember always angle of elevation and angle of depression both are equal. Angle of elevation is equal to this, angle of elevation is equal to angle of depression. Why? Because these two are parallel and this is a transversal, and these two angles we call that as alternate angles. Alternate angles are equal. Therefore we can say that angle of elevation is equal to angle of depression. Now we do one or two problems based on this elevation and depression. From the top of a building 50 meters from horizontal, the angle of depression made by a car is 30 degrees. How far is the car from the building? Let us we take this is the horizontal and this is the building here. The car is at point A. So if you look from C, this depression, it is given how many degrees? The depression is 30 degrees. So here the depression is 30 degrees. I already told you that angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation. So this elevation is equal to 30 degrees. Now is asking you to, and from the top of a building 50 meters from the horizontal, the height of the building given, the height of the building is equal to 50 meters. Now how far is the car from the building is asking what is the distance of AB. What is the distance of AB? Again I am repeating, BC we take the height of the building. This A is called the point of observation, and from the top of the building, that is C, a car is on the ground here at A. If you observe from this point, the depression it is given 30 degrees. So I already told you that the angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation, that is elevation is also 30 degrees. He is asking you to find the distance between the car and the foot of the building. This is the foot of the building. That is, we need to find AB. Now I will show you one trick here. let us we take 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. 30, 60 and 90. Here is, this is 30 and this will be 60. This will be 60 and this is 90. So, let us we take like this, 1 is to root 3 is to 2. 1 is to root 3 is to 2. For 30 degrees it is given 50. This is 50 meters. Let us we take, this is one part, root 3 parts and 2 parts like this. So this one is 50 meters. It is given BC is equal to 50. Now we need to find AB. AB means the side opposite to, the angle opposite to AB is 60 degrees. That is the root 3. That is nothing but 50 into root 3 is 50 root 3 meters. So what is the distance between the car and from the foot of the building? The distance between car and the foot of the building is equal to 50 root 3 meters. Like this we can find out. Suppose if they ask you what is the distance between AC, AC is nothing but 50 into 2, that is 100 meters. This is equal to 100 meters. So like this we can solve the problem when you go for competitive exams or when you go for bank exams. Instead of solving the problem by following this trick for 30, 60 and 90 degrees, we have to take the ratio as 1 is to root 3 is to 2. 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Here we know the value, the side opposite to 30 degrees is BC. BC is equal to 50 meters. So one part is equal to 50 meters. Then root 3 into 50 is 50 root 3. 2 into 50 is 100 meters. Like this we can find out. Now we verify whether it is right or wrong by solving the problem. Now, this is what the opposite side and this is the adjacent side. So here we know the opposite, we need to find the adjacent. So what is the ratio for opposite and adjacent? We have to take tan. Tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. That is, what is opposite side? BC. And the adjacent side is AB. So that is equal to, what is BC here? 50. And we don't know AB. So we write AB here. So what is a tan 30? Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to 50 by AB. So we cross multiply. AB is equal to 50 into root 3. 50 root 3 meters. So here we got 50 root 3 meters. Without solving the problem, we can easily find out if we know the one side. Suppose if you want to find AC. If you want to find AC. AC is what? AC is nothing but this is a hypotenuse. We know the opposite side, we need to find the opposite hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse is what? Sine. So sine 30 is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side? Opposite side is a 50. And we don't know the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is what? AC. Now what is the sine 30? Sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to 50 by AC. Therefore AC is equal to, we cross multiply 2 into 50. That is equal to 100 meters. So here we got 100 meters. Is it clear, all of you? Have a look. Next we take one more problem. A pole is arranged from a height of 30 meters from the ground. This is the pole. Let us we take this horizontal as a ground here. The height is given 30 meters, making an angle of 60 degrees from the earth. That is the elevation, angle of elevation, it is given 60 degrees. making a 60 degrees angle with earth. Find the distance between the top of the pole and the point of observation. This is the point of observation and this is the top of the pole. We need to find the distance. AC is equal to how much? This distance we need to find. So let us we take this is 30 degrees, because obviously one is 60 means the other will be 30 only. So here we take 30, 60 and 90. 30, 60 and 90. Here we got the, I told you the ratio 1 is to root 3 is to 2. 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Here the BC is the opposite side of 60 degrees, that is given 30. So this value is equal to 30. That means root 3 value is equal to 30. Then 1 is equal to how much? We have to always calculate for 1. So this is equal to 1 into 30 by root 3. That is 30 by root 3. Multiply with root 3 on both the sides. 30 root 3 by 3. 3 ones are 3 tens are. This will become 10 root 3. So what is the one part? One part value is equal to 10 root 3. Again I am explaining. BC is the opposite to 60 degrees. So we know the length of BC, that is 30 meter. So we write root 3 is equal to 30. Then 1 is equal to how much? 1 into 30 by root 3. So 1 into 30 is 30 by root 3. We rationalize this. So multiply with root 3 on the both sides. 30 into root 3 is 30 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 ones are 3 tens are. So it is equal to 10 root 3. So what is one part is 10 root 3 and two parts is 2 into 10, 20 root 3. So this is the side opposite to 90 degrees is AC. So what is the AC? This is equal to 20 root 3. So like this we can find out. If they ask you to find the distance between the point of observation to the base of the pole, suppose if you want to find AB, this AB is opposite to 30 degrees. For 30 degrees it is equal to 10 root 3. 10 root 3 meters, this is 20 root 3 meters, this is already given in the problem. So this is a simple tip we can do any kind of a problem based on the heights and distance within even a very not more than less than within 1 minute we can solve the problem. Now we verify these values by doing the actual procedure. Now here so here we know the opposite side and we need to find the hypotenuse. So opposite by hypotenuse is a sine. Here it is 60 degrees. Sine 60 degrees is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side is 30 and the hypotenuse will be AC. So we write AC. What is the sine 60? Sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is equal to 30 by AC. Then we cross multiply. Root 3 AC is equal to 60. Then AC is equal to 60 by root 3. Multiply with root 3 on both the sides. We rationalizing here. So 60 into root 3 is 60 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 ones are 3 20s are. 20 into root 3 is equal to 20 root 3 meters. So what is the AC? AC is equal to 20 root 3. Here we got a 20 root 3. Is it clear all of you? So by following the tip 1 is to root 3 is to 2, we can solve the problems regarding based on elevation and depression. All of you please go through these previous videos and this video. Before stopping this, again I am asking you to subscribe the channel, share it and like it. Have a nice day.